might wonder how they were loaded. Buckle up and get ready for a dramatic display as these large logs are hauled onto the truck. David and Carol Hull hired Trees R Us Logging and Construction to clear an 8-acre plot of land at their tree farm in Cheshire, Oregon. The 38-year-old Douglas fir trees were harvested and transported to sawmills and pulp factories. David Hull's 1972 Kenworth truck took center stage in this heavy-duty task, carrying the valuable logs through the challenging, muddy roads.